With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here, the question is, a box contains 3 orange balls, 3 green balls, and 2 blue balls. 3 balls are drawn at random from the box without replacement. The probability of drawing 2 green balls and 1 blue ball is, we have 4 options. Option A 167 by 168, option B 1 by 28, option C 2 by 21, or option D 3 by 28, right? So here we are having total of balls. Let me write here, total balls is equals to 3 plus 3 plus 2, that is 8. So we are having total of 8 balls, right? And from them there are total 3 orange balls, 3 green balls, and 2 blue balls. And the question says to find the probability of drawing 2 green balls and 1 blue ball. This means we are drawing balls from these 3 green balls and these 2 blue balls. So we can write that here, let the first one as probability of that first one is green ball, and then second one is again green ball, and then third one is blue ball. As we are drawing 2 green balls and 1 blue ball, so it is first one is green, second one is green, and third one is blue. And we can also write that the first one is, when we are drawing the balls, then first one is blue, then second one is green, and then third one is again green. And it is also possible that the first one is green, the second one is blue, so the probability of blue, and the third one is green, right? Third one is green. Now let me make it proper here. Third one is green, right? So here, as the question says that without replacement, this means here the probability of green means there are total of 3 green balls and total of 8 balls, so it is 3 by 8 into probability of green. As we had drawn a ball from these 3 green balls, then it is 2 by 7, because without replacement, into the total of 2 blue balls, so it is 2 by, so as because of without replacement, so here it is there are total of 6 balls when we are drawing the blue one ball. Now plus probability of blue ball, that is 2 by, we can write it as here because there are total of 2 blue balls, so it is 2 by 8 because total of 8 balls, into 3 by 7 because due to without replacement, and here then it is 2 by 6, plus probability of green, that is 3 by 8, probability of blue, that is 2 by 7 because of without replacement, and here probability of green, that is 2 by 6 because due to the question says that without replacement, so as we are drawing, then the total number of balls is going on decreasing. So if we solve this, then we can write it here as 3 into 2, that is 6, and 6 into 2, that is 12. So 12 by 8 into 7, that is 56, and 56 into 6, that is 336. So 336 plus here this also 12 by 336 plus this also 12 by 336. Now if we solve this, then we can write it as, here the LCM is, we can write that here the LCM is 336. So 336, and here 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is equals to 36 by 336. And if we solve this, then we will get here, we will get it as 3 by 28. So we can say that the probability of drawing 2 green balls and 1 blue ball is option D, that is 3 by 28, and this is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.